These two cubes look almost the same, but one is super cheap and the other is a high-end professional cube. This is a cheap Rubik's cube. It's fine for beginners, but when you try to go faster, problems start. It doesn't turn smoothly. It can get stuck and fast moves feel limited. And this is the expensive Speedcube. Everything feels lighter, faster, and way more controlled. Same scramble, same person, different cubes. Cheap cube result. Subscribe. Expensive cube result. In the end, it's not about how expensive your cube is. It's about how much time you put in. Every fast solver started from zero. You don't need the best cube to become better. Start where you are. Get better every day. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.